In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock indicators on TradingView. TradingView is a powerful tool for technical analysis, and many users love it due to its accessible and feature-rich platform. One of the useful features available is the ability to lock indicators, which can help prevent accidental edits or changes while working on your chart. Let's walk through the process. First, go ahead and open your TradingView platform and navigate to the chart where you want to lock your indicators. You've probably already set up a few indicators and drawings to aid in your analysis. This feature will help ensure that everything remains exactly as you want it without any unintended modifications. Now take a look around your chart interface. You'll see several options and menus designed to help customize your chart view. One of these options is the Drawing Tools menu, where you'll find the settings for handling indicators and drawings. What we're interested in today is a feature within this menu that allows you to lock all the drawings and indicators on your chart. Go ahead and locate that option. It's typically represented by a padlock icon. Once you find it, all you need to do is click on it. This simple action will lock all the active drawings on your chart. This means that whether you're using moving averages, trend lines, or any custom indicators, they will be protected from any accidental changes. Locking your indicators is particularly useful when you're deep into analysis or presenting your chart to others, ensuring that nothing shifts or gets edited inadvertently. If in the future you decide you need to make adjustments or add new elements, simply click on the icon again to unlock your drawings and indicators. This flexibility allows you to work confidently, knowing your settings stay as planned until you're ready to modify them. As you become more familiar with TradingView, you'll find that utilizing features like locking can truly enhance the efficiency and accuracy of your technical analysis. It eliminates the little frustrations of unintended changes and lets you focus more on your strategies and insights. Remember, this lock feature is universal for all your drawings, so when you toggle it on, everything is secured across the board, making it much easier to maintain a clean and organized workspace, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out. That's it. A simple yet effective step to ensure your TradingView experience is smooth and productive. Thanks for watching this tutorial on locking indicators. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful TradingView tips and tricks. Happy